How the Big Bad Wolf Saved Christmas. Story written by Jan and Jim King. Narrated by Jan King. You've heard the story of the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. But the story, as you know it, does not end the way you think. You see, the tale of what happened to our little piggy heroes and the shaggy-tailed mean old wolf is much more interesting. As the tale was told, the 3 little pigs were builders. Piggy number 1 built his house with straw. It's the fastest and easiest to build. Piggy number 2 was a good carpenter who built his house of wooden sticks. It took longer to build his house. Wooden sticks are stronger than straw. But it was not as strong as his brother, Piggy number 3's house, who built his house of bricks. Bricks are strong and solid. When they finished building their houses, Piggy number 1 and Piggy number 2 skipped over to Piggy number 3's house. They were happy, not...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?